New day, new hoodie, new recall for the Jeep. What's going on, guys? I hope you're not starting the day the same way I am by learning about this new recall for the Jeep JLs. Ben hit me up and sent me a screenshot of a new recall specifically for my Wrangler because of this little guy right here. So to be more specific, we're gonna go over it in fine detail, but it is specifically for the Jeep Wrangler JL with a manual transmission. Okay, so now that we know that 90% of you that are watching, this doesn't affect any of you guys can go ahead and click off. Anybody with a manual transmission or anybody that is still interested in finding out what is actually going on to make this major recall for all the Wranglers, stay tuned. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw the recall up here in this slide so you guys can look at it if you want. Basically, it's a recall for 2018 to 2020 Jeep Wrangler JLs and Jeep Gladiator JTs equipped with a manual transmission. But basically what you can read there is that the clutch pressure plate could get overheated and could lead the pressure plate to actually fracture. Also could lead to fracturing or cracking your transmission case, which would cause some kind of heated debris to go up in there, and potentially your Jeep will catch fire. So basically you're gonna look like some of the Jeeps that you've seen on Instagram when the JLs first came out, where they're just melted to the ground literally on the side of the highway. I'm not sure if those were manuals or not, but nonetheless they caught on fire. Also says here could lose loss of propulsion, which can cause a vehicle to crash without prior warning. Again, not a great scenario. It also says that you're gonna smell burnt clutch, or you could smell burnt clutch, and you might lose some of the feedback in the clutch prior to all this failing. And then they go ahead and end it by saying that they don't have a solution right now, but they are working on it. So I just wanted to get this video up, let everybody that has a manual transmission like me in a JL aware of the situation. If you guys have not been already, make sure you contact your dealership and keep in contact with them to see how this all gets resolved. But basically, if you are worried that your vehicle is one of the affected vehicles, you can just take your VIN, and I'll leave a link in the description below. Basically, Mopar has almost like a VIN search for any kind of recalls or stuff like that that they can fix or have fixed in the past, and it'll tell you specifically for your vehicle what has been recalled. Again, I'll leave a link in the description below. I used it today, and turns out, yeah, mine's one of those vehicles. So as soon as they have an update, I will let you guys know. If you guys have talked to your dealerships and they do actually have a solution, please leave a comment below or let me know, and I'll let everybody else know, something along those lines, because we want to get this fixed as soon as possible. So with that being said, short video today, guys. Really straightforward. Just wanted to get that out there and let you all know. If you haven't been here already, get down there, hit that subscribe button, leave some comments, leave a like. It really helps out the channel. And as always, guys, we will catch you guys in the next one.